It's a gloomy day here in Discovery Bay, but being on this boat makes it a lot brighter. This is a 2009 Regal 5260. It's got twin IPS 600s and only about 650 hours on it, and it's fully equipped. It's got an amazing cockpit space up here. There's a lot of entertaining space here. Strataglass enclosure back here. Of course, a full glass enclosure up front. This is all climate controlled up here and just loaded with features. This is a flip down TV. We've got a electric grill, refrigerator, opening sunroof, and then really neat lounge here. This actually goes up and down so that you can get it out of the way if you're just entertaining a lot of people around here. And then a helm with really good visibility. And this is an IPS boat, so it's joystick controlled. Makes it absolutely easy, I promise, to put this boat wherever you want. We've got radar and GPS and autopilot, VHF, a newer Fusion stereo system, and remote spotlight, remote windlass. It's a cool boat. Up here on the foredeck, we've got a Chase Lounge sun pad that props up, stereo speakers up here, of course, roomy anchor locker, foot controls for the remote windlass, remote spotlight, and very tall railings for your safety. So down below we've got a huge interior that's really bright and open thanks to big side windows on both sides, moonroofs with closing shades, bright interior in really nice shape. There's great lighting everywhere, including this really cool finish here. These are all backlit tile. We've got inclining seat rests or foot rests down there. Huge U-shaped lounge, high-low table, basically big screen TV for a boat, and then a fully equipped galley with lots of great storage space, 2-burner electric stove, of course refrigerator, and freezer, and trash compactor. So we'll walk back here to the VIP or primary stateroom. So we've got this really nice lounge here that makes you not be in a hurry to get out of the VIP room. Pedestal queen size berth, really easy to walk around. There's lots of storage everywhere, hanging lockers. In here is a separate stall shower. And then we've got the head in here. It's just a beautiful place to be. So going forward, we've got the guest head with a separate stall shower, very roomy. Up here we've got the guest stateroom, queen size pedestal bed, storage everywhere. It's really big and roomy, plenty of space to change, 20-inch flat panel TV, everything you'd need to be comfortable. So we're excited to have this listing. Can't wait to show it to you. It's again a 2009 Regal 5260 Commodore. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'd appreciate it if you would hit the like button or make a comment or hit the subscribe button. Click on that little bell and that'll notify you when we get more listings. Thanks again for watching. Happy boating.